Welcome to Quest to Succeed 11 Plus. In today's video, we are going to be doing math. Finding the area of compound shapes. Alright? What is a compound shape first? So, a compound shape is where two or more shapes join to make a new and totally different shape. Here's an example. You see this rectangle and you see a triangle. We're going to put them together to make a compound shape. So, once we put the rectangle and the triangle together, we get a 1, 2, 3, 4-sided shape still. So it's a quadrilateral. I put units in because we are finding the area. So, there are two methods of finding the area of compound shapes. The first method is splitting the shape into two. So, splitting this and this and finding the area of each shape and adding them. So first, we can find the area of the rectangle. It's not 23 times 5 because that would give us the area of a rectangle or like this. Rectangle of this size, and we do not want that. So, we have to do 20 times 3 to get the area. Alright. So, now let's do 20 times 3. What's 2 times 3? It's 6. Add the 0. So 60. We have 60 for this rectangle. This rectangle that I'm outlining. Alright. And now we have to find the area of this right-angled triangle. Alright. Since we know that this part, the one in light green, is 20 centimeters, and all of this line is 23, we must know that this red part should be 3 centimeters. Now, we can find the area. So, this will be 3 centimeters. Don't get fooled. You should not multiply the slanting length. You should not. Instead, what you should do, you have to times the height, vertical height, which we can see here is 3. So we can do 3 times 3, which gives us 9 centimeters squared. Here it will give us 60 centimeters squared. Now, all we have to do to get the area of this triangle is to divide it by 2. Because we just found out the area of a square, not the triangle itself. So we have to divide it by 2, or half it. So what's the half of 9? It's 4.5 centimeters squared. Now all we have to do is add them. So 60 add 4.5 equals 64.5. And don't forget to put your units in centimeters squared. So our answer for this is 64.5 centimeters squared. Here we have 12 centimeters for this big length. Alright, I will tell you the second method. So, the second method is timesing 12 and 7 to get the whole of this, including what's in here. So 12 times 7 is 84 centimeters squared. Then we have to find the area of this part, the one outlined as white. So to find that, we have to do 7 centimeters times 2 centimeters, which is 14 centimeters squared. Now, all we have to do is just minus them. So, 84 centimeters squared minus 14 centimeters squared is 70 centimeters squared. So, for this shape, we get 70 centimeters squared as our answer. Let's see if we get the exact same if we do the other method. Okay. Now starting with the other method, the first method. Let's break this shape down. We can break it into 2 sections for this rectangle and this rectangle. Alright, let's find the area of the smaller rectangle first. So, to find that, we have to do 5 centimeters times 2 centimeters, which gives us 10 centimeters squared. Now, let's find the area of this, of the one outlined in white. To find that, we have to do 5 centimeters times 12 centimeters, which is 60 centimeters squared. Now we just have to add 60 and 10, then put our units back on. 60 add 10 is 70. Then put centimeters squared. So we can see that we get the exact same answer. So both methods work. Let's do the second method for this one. I'll rub all this out first. Alright. So, let's do the second method. We can't exactly do it here, or can we? This one's gonna be harder. So, let's find the area of this part. Alright. That is going to be 4.5. Since we do the calculation of 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters, then divided by 2 for the area of a triangle. So, now, let's find the area for the whole, which is 23 times 3, which is 69 centimeters squared. Now we can minus them. This is going to be a little bit harder though. Okay, so we can do it in column method. Let's add this placeholder. But I'm sure you will be able to do it not in column method, but in your minds. So we have to exchange. So this becomes 8. And this becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then let's put our decimal point. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. Then 6 minus 0 is 6. So 64.5. We got the exact same answer. Okay. I hope you understood everything in this video. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe, like and smash that bell button so you don't miss any other upload. Bye.